Silk is a luxurious and smooth fabric that can be challenging to work with, but the results are often worth the effort. Sewing silk fabric requires a delicate touch and specific techniques due to the delicate nature of the material. Pre-wash the silk to avoid water stains. Pre-washing the silk before cutting helps to prevent watermark stains on fabric. Cut the fabric with sandwich method. Lay any thin paper on the table. Attach this paper on table with any sticky tape. This will help to stick the paper over table surface. And place your silk fabric over it. Place your silk fabric over this thin paper and set it properly. Again, put another paper over the silk and make it sandwich by using tape. Now lay your pattern piece over it and measure it from the grain line to the selvage and check that your pattern piece is straight. Pin the edges of the fabric by using thin and sharp needle. Cut the silk with sharp scissors to achieve clean edges. You can use zigzag blade scissor. This will help to prevent fraying, and it will cut your fabric smoothly and evenly. And always use a sharp and fine needles to prevent snags and visible holes. So you must choose the needle which is specified for silk fabrics. Silk fabric can stuck into the hole, so you must cover it. Use a tape and cover this hole properly, so the fabric will not go through from this hole during sewing. Choose a straight stitch or a narrow zigzag stitch for seams. Test on a scrap piece to determine the best setting. You can stitch silk with thin paper, which you have already used during cutting. It stabilizes the fabric, and it is easy to rip off after stitching. By following these detailed steps, you will be able to sew silk fabric with precision. Remember to practice on scraps before working on your actual project to gain confidence and perfect your technique.